So this is a quick video on, well, it's under solving exponential and logarithmic equations, but essentially it's a recap of the log rules. So obviously at year 13 you are expected to know all your index laws and you're expected to know your log laws. So I thought it would just be worth going through some of the log laws just as a recap. So if you have y equals 2 to the power of x, that is an exponential equation because we have an exponent and that's where the variable is. And that would go to x equals log base 2 of y. If I have y equals e to the x, remember e is the is a value, it's a number, and that is the base of the natural logarithm ln. Okay, so that would go to x ln y. Couple of things to remember. The log of any base, doesn't matter what it is, of 1 is always 0, and that's because anything to the power of 0 is always 1. If you are logging two things that are being, or logging a product I should say, that is the sum of the logs. If you are logging a quotient, that is the difference of the logs. Okay. This one I think everyone's fairly familiar with, is that if you're logging a thing to a power, you can actually bring that power down in front. So it becomes a log bx, and certainly when we were looking at integrating logs, we had that, or was it on different? Anyway, on one of them we've certainly discussed that in class. Now, this is the interesting bit. If we want to change the base from log b to log a, we take the log of a of the variable x and divide it by the log base a of the previous base. Okay, so log bx would be log ax divided by log ab. Okay, so that's just a quick recap on log rules.